Welcome to this video on GAAP Advisors channel. GAAP Advisors reviews Ind AS financial statements on a request basis and on suo motu basis. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 1. A review of Ind AS financial statements takes 16 to 24 hours. It is a humble request that if you find this video useful, please contribute your desired amount by scanning the QR code given in the slides. A listed company in its published financial statements has disclosed a note on critical accounting estimates and assumptions in which 6 items have been specified. For none of the items, the carrying amount of the asset or liability affected by the assumption has been specified. Further, only one of the item has been cross-referenced to another note that discloses the carrying amount of the asset or liability related to that item. In our view, the company has not complied with the requirements of Ind AS 1. The reason for the same is explained in the next slide. Para 125 of Ind AS 1 requires disclosures of major sources of estimation uncertainty. It states that in respect of assets and liabilities that have a significant risk of material adjustment within the next financial year, the notes shall include details of 1. Their nature and their carrying amount as at the end of the reporting period. Para 131 of Ind AS 1 explains that the disclosure of the carrying amount of the asset or liability affected by the assumption is required in all cases. Therefore, the company should have either disclosed the carrying amount of the asset or liability affected by the estimates and assumptions for all items in the note on critical accounting estimates and assumptions, or cross-reference the items to another note disclosing the carrying amount of the asset or liability affected by the assumption. As the company has not done any of the two, the company has not complied with para 125 and 131 of Ind AS 1. Thank you so much for watching this video and for your contribution. Hope you found this video useful. If you would like to get your financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them in PDF in your publishing format to info@gapadvisors.com.